Bom dia, guys. I'm back up in the mountains of Madeira at Achada do Teixeira. We're about to head on a small hike to Pico Ruivo. You can see there's still a lot of snow around here, and we're actually going to stay overnight at Pico Ruivo at the mountain hut. That's going to be something new, and the big aim of this trip is to try and see if we can get a nice weather window where we can fly the drone and see the mountain peaks up here on Madeira covered in snow and get some great shots like that. So that's our goal, and we thought the easiest way to do that would be to stay overnight at the hut and give ourselves as much chance as possible. So we now have a 2.8 kilometer hike from Achada do Teixeira. The road is open today, unlike last time, and then we'll be at the mountain hut in about an hour. So it's a very casual walk to the mountain hut today. It's not a snowstorm, there's not too much wind, there's no rain, so everything's very easy today so far, and we'll be there soon. I'm going to show you what it's like to stay at the mountain hut at Pico Ruivo, and then we're going to see how we go getting some good conditions. It would be great if we had a sunset and a sunrise, but we'll keep our fingers crossed and take what we get. I don't want to get too excited too early, but we have blue skies up behind me. We're only halfway to the hut, but it's looking very promising compared to the crazy snowstorm we had a few days ago. I'll be really happy even just to see the peaks for 5 minutes, so let's hope that it keeps clearing and this afternoon we get to see Pico do Arriero, Pico Gato and the other top peaks on Madeira. Guys, this is incredible. The wind has swept away the clouds. It was beautiful to watch them leave, but now we're left with the stunning snowy peaks of Madeira Island in full view. There's no clouds left. I think we're going to be here for a beautiful night tonight. I really can't believe how lucky we're getting. It's a winter wonderland. I didn't think there would be this much snow left. It really looks like we're in the Alps. Wait till you see this one from the air. Okay, 2.6 kilometers and we have arrived at Casa Ruivo, which is the mountain hut just below the peak of Pico Ruivo, the highest point on Madeira. I've never stayed here before and I don't know what the process is, so we're going to head in now, check in and see what it's like inside the mountain hut before heading on up to the summit for an afternoon recon mission. Everything's still super clear, so we think sunset could be incredible. It's still very snowy, but you can hear the snow's starting to melt off the trees, and with this sun out here, I don't even know if we're gonna need a fire tonight, but the snow's definitely gonna melt quickly. So let's go check out the inside of Casa Ruivo. Okay, we've checked into Casa Ruivo. In this room we have 2 beds, and it's 15 euros a night per person. So it's a pretty good deal, really. Might have to live up here in the future, but you have a nice bed, you have some blankets, but it is recommended to bring a sleeping bag because it can get cold up here overnight. You do have a kitchen that you can use, but you need to bring all of your own supplies. And they have a toilet and a bathroom, but at the moment only cold water. So a bit chilly in the winter, but yeah, it's pretty cold up here, so we're not sweating too much. So pretty good living quarters overall, and a really homely cottage vibe. After checking into the mountain hut, we're heading up to Pico Ruivo. It's 1,862 meters, highest point on Madeira. And it's pretty nice because it's just 500 meters up from the mountain hut, so you can come up and down a couple times depending on what the weather's doing and for sunset or sunrise. So it's still very sunny. It's only 2 p.m. now, but we're going to go up to see everything during the day because the clouds are very inverted right now. We have a layer of clouds below us, and yeah, it makes for beautiful scenery. So we thought, why not come up and enjoy it during the day. We'll head back down and then come back up for sunset. So this is the way to Pico Ruivo from the mountain hut. As you can see, we didn't quite make it up to Pico Ruivo. We got sidetracked and came down here to a little peak, and we're above the clouds. This is one of the most magical afternoons I've had on Madeira, and I've been up here quite a few times. Just look at these clouds flowing behind us in the background. Just sitting on a snowy little peak here. We're actually going to go now to Pico Ruivo summit. It's only a few minutes up there, but yeah, beautiful down here. The snow's not melting. Very peaceful, there's not much wind, and truly beautiful to be up here.
when the fire starts to
Thanks, mister.
Jackson, can you tell me what's happening?
Well, Chris has cooked a beautiful meal. We have raclette. Joao has cooked the chorizo on the fireplace. And I have drank the wine while we watched the great chefs. And now in the mountain hut, we live like kings tonight after seeing the best sunset ever. So cheers to a great day and thanks for tuning in.
Cheers.